Navigating the roads today can feel like a Wild West shootout. You never know when you might encounter a reckless driver, a surprise pothole, or even a hit and run. In these situations, having a reliable dash cam can be your saving grace. It can provide undeniable video evidence in case of an accident, protecting you from false accusations and ensuring fair insurance claims. But with a sea of dash cams flooding the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Fear not, in this video we'll dive deep into the top 5 best dash cams of 2024, catering to a variety of needs and budgets. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for updated pricing. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. So let's get started. Vantrue S1 Pro. If you're looking for a dash cam that excels in most areas, the Vantrue S1 Pro is a serious contender. This feature-packed device boasts crystal clear 2.5K resolution, capturing crisp details that could prove crucial in any incident. Low light performance is stellar thanks to the Sony Starvis sensor, ensuring sharp images even during dusk or dawn commutes. Built-in GPS adds another layer of value, providing accurate location data, speed tracking, and route information. This can be immensely helpful for pinpointing exactly where an event occurred or reconstructing your journey. The S1 Pro seamlessly loops recordings, so you never have to worry about running out of storage. The G sensor is your guardian angel, automatically detecting sudden impacts and locking critical footage for safekeeping. This ensures you have the evidence you need for insurance claims or legal purposes. Plus, the sleek and compact design blends seamlessly into your car's interior, avoiding that bulky eyesore look. But the real star of the show is the impressive 320-degree wide-angle lens. This captures a panoramic view of the road, significantly reducing blind spots and offering comprehensive coverage. Whether it's a reckless driver swerving in next to you or a potential hit and run from the side, the S1 Pro has you covered. Garmin Mini 2. Sometimes subtlety is key. The Garmin Mini 2 is a master of disguise, offering a compact design that disappears into your car's interior without compromising performance. Don't let its size fool you. This little powerhouse packs a punch. It captures stunning 1080p high-definition video, ensuring every detail on the road is recorded with clarity. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity makes the Mini 2 a breeze to use. With the Garmin Drive app, you can effortlessly review and share footage directly from your smartphone. This eliminates the need to fumble with menus on the camera itself, keeping you focused on the road. And speaking of convenience, the parking guard feature provides peace of mind when your car is parked. If the Mini 2 detects motion or a significant impact, it automatically starts recording, ensuring your vehicle is protected even when you're not around. Another feature I love is voice control. Need to capture a photo or start/stop audio recording? Just say the word. This hands-free operation keeps your eyes on the road and your mind at ease. So if you value a discreet design, top-notch video quality, and convenient features, the Garmin Mini 2 might be your perfect match. Ventre N4. For drivers who prioritize complete coverage, the Ventre N4 is a force to be reckoned with. This versatile dashcam boasts a triple camera setup, capturing the front, interior, and rear views simultaneously. And we're not talking grainy footage here. The N4 delivers crystal clear 1440p resolution, providing a comprehensive record of every single angle on the road. This is especially valuable for ride-sharing drivers or anyone concerned about in-cabin safety. The infrared night vision ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions, giving you an extra layer of security during nighttime journeys. The wide 155-degree field of view on the front and rear cameras significantly reduces blind spots, ensuring every detail is captured. Plus, the innovative 24-hour parking mode with time-lapse keeps your car protected even when parked. The built-in G sensor automatically locks and saves footage in the event of a collision, providing crucial evidence for insurance claims. With its multi-camera technology, high-quality resolution, and advanced security features, the Ventre N4 is a well-rounded option for drivers seeking comprehensive coverage. A's Dashcam. Let's face it, dashcams can be an investment, but that doesn't mean you have to break the bank to get excellent quality. The A Dashcam proves that exceptional video recording doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. This feature-rich device boasts an impressive ultra-high resolution, capturing license plates, road signs, and crucial details with stunning precision. It ensures every moment on the road is recorded in cinematic quality, leaving no room for doubt in case of an incident. The wide-angle lens with a 170-degree field of view guarantees comprehensive coverage, reducing blind spots and capturing the entire road scene. Whether you're navigating a narrow mountain pass or a bustling highway, the A Dashcam ensures you have a clear picture of everything happening around you. Like many of the other options we've explored, the AZ Dashcam features loop recording, so your camera is always ready to capture the unexpected. The G sensor remains vigilant, detecting sudden collisions or impacts and automatically locking and saving the footage to a separate folder. This ensures you have the crucial evidence you need for insurance claims or legal purposes, potentially saving you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. With its breathtaking 4K resolution, wide-angle lens, night capturing capabilities, and user-friendly design, the AZ Dashcam stands out as a fantastic value option for drivers who prioritize high-quality on-the-road security without breaking the bank. Vantrue N4 Pro. If you demand the absolute best in terms of coverage and video quality, then the Vantrue N4 Pro might be your knight in shining armor. This top-of-the-line dashcam features a cutting-edge triple-camera setup, capturing the front, interior, and rear views simultaneously. Here's where things get impressive. The N4 Pro boasts remarkable 4K resolution for the front and interior cameras, ensuring unparalleled clarity and detail. This is a game-changer for capturing crucial details like license plates and faces, even in low-light conditions. Just like its cousin, the N4, the N4 Pro comes with infrared night vision for the interior camera. This provides exceptional footage inside the vehicle even during the darkest nights, offering an extra layer of security for ride-sharing drivers or anyone concerned about after-dark activity within the car. But the true showstopper is the mind-blowing 360-degree field of view for the front and rear cameras. This virtually eliminates blind spots, capturing every detail in stunning clarity. No matter what's happening around your vehicle, the N4 Pro has you covered. Taking things a step further, the N4 Pro utilizes the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor for the front camera. This advanced technology delivers superior low-light performance, ensuring even the faintest details are captured clearly. Whether it's a late-night drive on a poorly lit country road or navigating through heavy fog, the N4 Pro ensures you have a clear picture of what's happening on the road ahead. The Vantrue N4 Pro offers a powerful combination of triple-lens technology, superior resolution, interior night vision, wide field of view, and GPS functionality. For drivers who want the ultimate in dashcam protection and crystal-clear recording in any situation, the N4 Pro is the undisputed champion. So there you have it. These top 5 dashcams cater to a variety of needs and budgets. Remember, the best dashcam for you depends on your specific priorities. Consider factors like video quality, field of view, night vision capabilities, additional features, and of course, your budget. By carefully evaluating your needs and exploring the options we've presented, you're sure to find the perfect dashcam to capture your drive with confidence and keep you safe on the road. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the description below for links to learn more about the products mentioned in this video. Happy and safe travels, everyone.